We are in this period where how do we make relationships, how do we sustain them and have relationships that are thriving and flourishing?
My name is Carrie-Ann Phillips. I work at Wellspring Living. I enjoy Healthy Relationships 101. I learned a lot about empathy and feelings, and those are some of the things that really stood out to me. The art of listening when someone comes to us with feelings, not one-upping them, but more so understanding them and relating to their situation.
I am a direct care coach at Wellspring Living residential program. I work with rescued women of sex trafficking, and I believe that the Healthy Relations 101 help them achieve healthy relationships in their work environments, in their personal lives, and become healthier human beings that operate functional within the society, and they can express themselves.
My name is Jennifer Greenlee, and I am the program coordinator for Wellspring Living's newest program, the Girls Academy, which is partnering with an alternative open campus high school to help bring in social emotional learning into a very high-risk population. Oftentimes our kids don't have the ability, the vocabulary, the development to understand what it is that they're feeling, and not just understand it, but how to articulate it and express it to somebody else. Through them being able to understand themselves and their feelings a little bit better, we'll be able to then provide better services for them.
My name is Michael Tanner. I'm a marriage and family therapist who works here at Wellspring. I am the clinician for the Girls Academy section. There's a lot of feelings that are registered with the youth that we serve in this area. The needs that they try to convey to one another aren't exactly met with the feelings that they may state or that they demonstrate. So through this training that we went through today, I've learned a series of feeling words, how to best convey what those feeling words are to the youth, a plethora of language that they could utilize in order to best express how they're feeling in that moment. That's going to be a very useful tool for them because it helps them understand the connection of what they're experiencing in the moment and how to have their needs best met throughout all aspects of their lives. And I feel like that's invaluable for the community that we serve.
It was a wonderful understanding of how the brain works when it goes through trauma or it goes through certain ACEs. That information is going to be great for parents to now learn that when they are interacting with their children certain ways, that these are things that could affect their brain development for the rest of their life. So the information here is crucial to what we do.
I learned different ways that we can utilize things, not only working with ourselves on how we communicate with the young ladies we work with, but also how can we teach them different language and how to identify different ways of saying how they feel versus just the normal happy, sad, angry, things of that such, and actually understanding where they're coming from and finding different creative ways to work through those emotions with them and becoming an educator and teaching people all over, not just with this population, but I think this is something that people can utilize on a day-to-day basis.